JJ Twins with another 16-17 pack opening. Not one, not two, but three packets to open today.
But that's not it. We have got 3 packs each.
So guys,
our biggest pack opening yet.
After
And
the multi-pack.
if we did watch the Dimitri Payet Bombs Limited Edition, that was yesterday.
so a really good.
So the odds are star players, club quest cards, 1 in every 2.5, set piece specialists, assist kings, game changers, freestyle,
which I kind of need
5.
because I haven't got one of them yet.
Man of the match is 1 in every 2 packets. I need one of them because you've got like 6 and I've only got 2. And then 100 clubs and 101 legends, 1 in every 10 for free, and then the limited editions.
So guys, that's enough of us buttering about, and Jonah's gonna get straight into it. So guys, if it's face backwards, then that is a 100 club or limited edition. I'm not sure if you've even got an insert. I'm not sure, guys. Because that's good. That's face backwards.
Yeah.
We'll put the face because in the 750 packs they're not face backwards, but in these they're face backwards.
I was a bit worried then because the code was at the front, so I thought I didn't have any inserts. Kyle Walker, we do have 2 inserts in this pack, and I don't think any icons.
I've got that.
We have a Nacho Monreal
With
as our first card.
83 on
That's a
defence. That's good.
Card. Kasper Schmeichel.
85 on defence.
2 trades in a row. Wilfred Zaha.
72
As I
attack.
said in the last video, because I was so excited, I was like, Zaha.
Yeah.
Callum McManaman, another trade.
61, very poor there.
Matthew Loughton, that's a good pull. Cause
68.
Michael Dawson, I was expecting him, captain, I was expecting him to be over 70.
69.
And then Jordan Henderson, captain card.
So that's a decent pack to over 80. 73.
Again, we'll leave all the things to the last.
No, don't.
Yeah. Okay. We have the Manchester United logo. That's good.
I'll just show the back. Pause it if you want.
And
And
then-
is it man of the match?
Yes, Fernandinho.
That's good.
Man of the match with 90 tackle and a good.
87
That
and
is a good
81.
first pack for me, I think.
You can hardly see the name, but it's
I
Fernandinho.
really like them man of the matches.
That's a first pack.
Done
So
for me,
now-
so that's pretty impressive for me. Man of the match in my first pack. Yeah, again, the codes are at the front.
Yep, and again I have two faced.
It could be a man of the match, but... that could...
No! That's Defo.
That could be Defo star player.
Again.
Or it could be Defo freestyler or whatever they are.
I want to see if he is. I want to see if Defo is in a freestyler or something. Yeah, Jermaine Defoe is in Game Changer.
So he
could be the star player in trade. Sorry about that, guys.
Because he kind of knocked the table.
So it could be the Game Changer card, which would be nice for me. And I can't put this up. Sorry, guys. There we go. It could be the Game Changer or the swap I have. We have Wilfred Zaha. I just did that because you did it. I'm just going to turn them all around and see if we have any icons. Don't have any icons, and I don't think we've got a trade. We have Henrik Mkhitaryan away kit. That's nice. Cancels an insert at the back of the book, obviously. Petr Cech. Say their highest score, 88. And Mkhitaryan was 84. Then we have Antonio, 76. Obviously, did make the bench of the England side against Malta. Chris Brunt, which was yesterday. Yep.
65.
Isaac Success.
He's a good striker. 67 though.
This is the away kit for Middlesbrough, but it isn't the away kit. It's De Bruyne for Middlesbrough.
69.
And Jonas got him. Billy Jones.
And Jude's got him on a whatever.
Oh, I have my second. I thought that was Aaron Ramsey, man of the match, because obviously I've got him, but it's Granit Xhaka. Gosh, that's good.
93 and 96 on pass too.
That's a new signing.
For
And who
midfielder,
is it? The set piece specialist?
Well
Yes!
done, Jude. He has got his first
I've got my
set-piece specialist
first one.
game changer, whatever.
So
because
that's
we
one
style
every
up.
5 packs. Jermaine Defoe.
That's 87 and 91 on shoot for Jermaine Defoe.
That's good. That's a good first pack for me. Good first pack for both of us, really.
So yeah, into my set, because we basically passed the test because I needed man of the match and
I
he
needed that,
one of
yeah.
them.
It would be good if I could pull a limited edition in there. Because
Oh,
obviously,
that might be Billy Jones.
yeah, could actually. Again, 2 inserts, and it looks a bit like he's got another man of the match,
Which is pretty awesome.
which
And
is
then it looks like we've got a tactic card too, and then we, for some reason we had the turned round card
But
in the
that-
middle, which no. We have Neil Taylor code.
I won't show it for quite obvious reasons. I'll just put
yeah.
your codes to one side.
And I'll just put these in insert.
Yeah, same here. So we're just putting them in inserts. I'm putting them back in the back inserts. So that's a back insert.
So yeah, this is the halfway opening point. Like
Oh, that's a.
that's
That goes in the thing. So that goes in the club, and that goes a backing insert.
we have Shinji Okazaki.
76.
I
He's
think this is a
downgraded.
trade. I'm not too sure. David Luiz.
84. 5-star. 6
And then
million.
Nasia Chadley.
Charlie Adam.
Oh, sorry.
67.
Sorry,
he's
this
down.
is Nasia Chadley.
61. Oh, we've both got him now.
Yeah.
71.
And then the injury tactic card. I know who that player is. That's Ivanovic. You
Yeah.
can tell, but obviously it doesn't say.
Yeah, that's Ivanovic. Well, I don't know who that is, but yeah, it's an injury tactic card. That's your third tactic card. Oh no, that's a backing insert, isn't it? It goes at the back.
So then we have Patrick Vanaholt,
I have him.
all-rounder. Yeah, you 63 for
Yeah,
a
he
defender.
definitely is a good all-rounder.
And then the Swansea City logo, which I'm very happy with this. And I think I've got another man of the match in this. Yes, I have Danny
Ooh,
Rose.
that is good.
Ooh.
93 defence and 97 speed, so that's another backing into. And Jonas Way is going good at the moment with 2 man of the match, and mine's going good with that Jermaine Defoe.
I think he's going to get 100 club in these last two.
I think I've got
We keep on getting Sunderland defenders. I think he's only got 1 insert in this, luckily. Well, for me, but not for him. 'Cause he's sad emoji.
We have Shinji Okazaki, which actually I think Jonas just. I think you just packed in a base card,
Yeah.
actually. Shinji Okazaki code. We have Victor Wanyama, which I think.
You've got him in a away kit, I think.
No, one of us has got him, because I can remember in the preview. Pack.
No,
it's
not in the
Wanyama.
preview pack,
Well,
the,
Laurent Constelli.
That's
Ooh.
good. 89 and 88 on tackle.
That's good. Gokhan Tole. New signing, I
I
tell
thought
you
he
what.
was definitely going to be higher than that. He's 80 rated on FIFA, while in FIFA 16 years.
Ryan
and then 69.
Bertrand.
That's good. 82 and 80 and 81, 5-star, 5
We have 2 captains in a. Oh no, the Middlesbrough captain. I was talking about De Bruyne away kit. Phil Jagielka captain.
That's nice.
Why are you putting them in there? Those don't.
That's a back end insert.
No, captains don't go in backing inserts, do they?
Oh, I know what you mean.
Grant Leabitter captain.
That's
So I
nice.
think none of these will go in the back. Because I think I've got a badge and then an icon. Dahon Love.
Donald.
3-star 4 million from Man U, actually. Then my icon is a good Aaron Lennon Speed King with 88 speed.
That's nice.
And then we do have the Middlesbrough.
That's a disappointing thing for Jude.
No, it was good. That's one every 2.5 packs.
Yeah, it is.
And I've only opened
but
2 at
to
the
be
moment.
fair, it is a promoted side, but guys, into the last 2 packs of the opening, guys.
I've got
my last
gonna
pack.
get another.
Thank goodness! I thought I had another Sunderland defender at the front then.
This is Sunderland. So in all our packs at the moment, we've got Sunderland. Yeah.
I think that's a trade.
I think that's Daniel Sturridge star player, which I think it's trade.
Bojan.
Bo.
And then John Stones, I don't know how he's made the 100 club. He's only got 85. And Dalo
Bonner. 77.
Bonner.
John Stones with
Stephen
85.
Davies.
68 and 67. I was expecting him to be an all-rounder.
I think that's
67. I've got him in a
Daniel Ayala, I think.
Ayala. 72. 4-star.
Fabio Barini. And then the
66.
4th time me and Jude have got this card now, Jose
No,
Holobas.
it was a. Oh yeah.
You've got him, and then one's already.
No, I haven't got him yet. I put one in the swap box. One I haven't got yet. So this one's going back in the swap. This one's going in the swap box too. So that isn't a very good pack, really. Now into your
Inserts. Eric Dyer, tough
I think
tackler.
I've literally just got him. Oh no, I've got him.
Well, guys, that is the second icon card for Tottenham because I do have what am I talking about? What's he called? Dele Alli. Daniel Sturridge star player, which is unfortunately a trade, but that's not a problem because me and hopefully Jude will get in trade in this last pack, so we can trade.
Yeah.
Definitely will. Totally.
I don't know who that is.
No.
I think it's the star. I think it's Igalo, star player.
It's gonna be Tordini set piece specialist.
He isn't in set piece specialist.
What is it?
He isn't in.
What? Oh yeah.
I don't think he's in set piece specialist.
Huh?
Ah. I don't think he's in set. We have Fabio Borini's Match Attax Life.
Why is Fabio Borini's card itself? I'll just get Fabio Borini's card. Fabio Borini's card has got white hair, but then the code for Fabio Borini has got
Anyway,
black
hurry up.
hair.
Then we've got Jesus Navas. See this?
I've got him 69,
I think I've got this to be able to wield.
90. I've got him.
Eden Hazard, which we traded earlier.
So yeah, you've got him.
Idris
Ghana.
Ghana.
He comes from Ghana.
Leon
Maybe.
Gooch. I don't know.
What?
He's supposed to say their score.
65.
Steve Cook.
2-star last season. 60.
Oh, we have a nice Charlie Adam Awake, which I think I've got. I think I've got him. Then
Igalo.
Ross Barkley, my second icon of Everton in today's opening, and it's Tordini's big specialist.
Told you he was in there.
I didn't know that.
Told you. Look, guys, a Dumbo.
Anyway, it's nice. I got two of them.
Darn it.
Why did you put Charlie Adam in there as a wicket?
Is that
Why-
2 set piece specialists on a game?
No, game changer.
So
guys, that
thank
is
you. Sorry
it.
about all the camera falls and everything, but do the dab.
It's just we don't have
Do
our
the
dab.
No, Jude is happy for that because he
I
got
got
2.
two.
To be fair, I
them.
did get 2 man of the matches.
So we got
Which
two
I
of the
was
things that
kind of
we
happy.
wanted, and he's got actually more of those now, and I didn't, and I started with 2, and you have.
So
one.
guys, smash a like on this video, subscribe below, and of course we'll see you next time.
So guys, thank you for subscribing. Keep doing it if you haven't. Yeah, just keep on doing what you're doing, guys.
And do the dab.